To begin, open the Telegram app on your phone. Then go to the group or channel where you want to create a poll. Next, tap the attachment icon, which looks like a paperclip, in the message box. You will see several options at the bottom. Swipe left to find Poll. Then tap on it. Under Poll Question, type the question you want to ask your audience. Below Answer Options, type your first option. You can add a total of 12 answer options for your poll. Simply type each option in the provided fields, and if you need more, tap Add an option to include additional choices. Below, you will see poll settings that allow you to customize how your poll works. You can leave anonymous voting enabled, if you don't want participants' names to be visible, which is ideal for honest and unbiased responses. You can enable multiple answers, if you want participants to select more than one option. You can also enable quiz mode, to mark a correct answer for your poll. When you are satisfied with all settings and options, tap Create in the top right corner. Your poll will be published in the group or channel, and participants can view the question, vote, and see real-time results. So that's how you can create a poll on Telegram Messenger.